So this is the entrance, and right off the bat you're gonna see that we have a little key hook chain thingy. This is where we keep our keys, and I have a bunch of my shoes over here. And then going down the hallway, you're gonna see that we have door number 1. This is my roommate's room. I'm not gonna open that because I don't want to like show her stuff. And then we have a coat closet next to her room. So I'm gonna just show you guys what we have in here. Not much really. We just keep some of our cleaning products, and like I have my tripod. We have a little duster, just, you know, shoes and cleaning products. And right across that is her bathroom, which I'm also not gonna show you guys. But then if you walk over here, we have our kitchen and our living room. I'm gonna start off showing you guys the living room. So the good thing about this apartment is that it's already furnished, meaning that the couches, the table, and the TV came with the whole apartment, which, man, I'm really excited about that because that saved me a lot of money, because couches and TV and stuff like that are not cheap at all. So I'm just gonna show you guys basically like an overview. That's the TV. We have our little coffee table. I got the plant from IKEA. These are candles. This candle, I forgot where I got it from, but the other candle, don't really know where I got that from. We got these little coasters from the dollar store. They have really nice stuff at the dollar store if you guys are trying to save money for your apartment. If you're like moving out, big tip, go to the Dollar Tree because they basically have everything, or TJ Maxx because that's where I went. I also have my little studio lights over here because it's just so big and I don't know where to put it in my room because my room is a little bit smaller. So I'll give you guys an overview of the living room. This is how it looks, and we have these beautiful windows. We have a really nice view of downtown too. If you guys look, that's downtown. You can't really see it. Downtown Minneapolis. And then I don't know, my roommate has these little nutcracker thingies over here. She put them on top of the TV over here, but I just placed them down there because it doesn't make any sense why we should have them up there. And then over here we have our little Christmas tree. Again, my roommate put this up. And then right next to the living room is the kitchen, and I'm so obsessed with our kitchen. It's so cute. It's kind of small, but it's a decent size. We have my laptop and my phone, and then we have 3 chairs, which I really like because you can just sit over here and eat, and you can like do your homework, do whatever you gotta do over here. And then we have the sink, decent size, the faucet. We have some of our kitchen stuff out right now. Turning on this side, we have little oven, little microwave, cabinets. I don't know why this is up here, but I'm gonna put this at the bottom of our sink. Yeah, so yep, this is where we keep our food. Then we have a fridge and a freezer. It's a decent size for both of us. The only thing about the fridge is that it's missing a few drawers in it. I don't understand why, so I'm gonna have to contact management for that. But then we also have a dishwasher, which I'm so excited about because at my old place we did not have a dishwasher, and I don't mind doing dishes, but it's just nice to have a dishwasher. And then outside we have the balcony, and that's the view. It's really pretty in the morning. Sometimes it looks so nice, or like when sunset, like right now. Well, the sun is not setting too much, but it just looks so pretty. And so if you go down this hallway over here, I didn't show you guys the other side, but going down the hallway, we have the laundry room. Got our washer and our dryer. I'm just gonna close that. And then this door, this is my bathroom. If you guys can hear noise in the background, that's my roommate. So this is my bathroom. I have a bunch of my stuff in like basically everywhere. All my stuff is out right now. It's a nice size, decent size for a bathroom, I think. I love it. Really good lighting. And then if you go over here, we have the sliding door, and it leads you to the toilet and the tub. And the tub is also like a nice size. It's not too small, not too big. It's just like perfect size. And then across the bathroom, we have my room. I'm gonna open the light in here. So I don't have too many decorations right now just because I just moved in, but I haven't hung up anything on the wall yet. But yeah, I just have a desk, my water bottle, perfume, my little lamp, and then this is my bed. It's a full-size bed. It's not bad at all. It's really comfortable. Got this carpet from TJ Maxx. And then on this side we have my closet. I'm not gonna really show you guys my closet because there's really not much in there right now. But yeah, basically this is my whole apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know if there's things that I can do to make this place look cuter. What decorations should I add on? I'm planning to, I'm gonna get rid of my light and put it in the coat closet. And then I'll put like a plant over here. We're gonna get rid of the Christmas tree and I'll put more plants over there because I think that would just make the place look so cute. I'm gonna buy a little rug, put it on the ground because I feel like that would just make the place look more homey, you know? What else should I need to bring? Oh, we need to get a garbage can because I don't know, for some reason the place doesn't have a garbage can, so I'm gonna have to buy that. Right now we're just using this little garbage bag. It's kind of ratchet, but it works. The apartment is so cute. I'm literally so obsessed with my apartment, guys. It's not even funny. This is my little essential oil diffuser. Right now I have peppermint. I don't think I even turned it on, but yeah, peppermint is diffusing right now. It smells like peppermint in this apartment.